Hello to all. Today having a video lecture on the topic of ammeter and voltmeter. Firstly we see the what is ammeter. Ammeter is a low resistance galvanometer. It is used to measure the current in a circuit in amperes. Galvanometer can be converted into an ammeter by using a low resistance wire in a parallel with the galvanometer. The resistance of the wire depends upon the range of the ammeter. As shunt resistance is small, the combined resistance of the galvanometer and the shunt is very low. Hence, the ammeter has much lower resistance than galvanometer. An ideal ammeter has zero resistance. Circuit diagram of ammeter is as shown in figure. There is a resistance denoted by R, then galvanometer denoted by G, and the resistor RS is a series resistance connected to the output to the input. Output is B and input of resistance is A. So the current is which is flowing in the resistance is I, and the IS current which is flowing in the resistance RS. The information. An ammeter, the name is a contraction of ampere meter, is a device for measuring electric current through a wire or a circuit element. An ammeter is always connected in series with the element in question. Note, the voltage drop across the ammeter itself disturbs the circuit into the which it is plugged in, and such a disturbance may change the very current the ammeter is used to measure. To minimize the disturbance, the voltage across the ammeter should be as small as possible, which requires that the electric resistance of the ammeter should be as small as possible. The figure shows the ammeter. As shown in figure, the ammeter where the current which is measured by using an ammeter, ampere, it is denoted by A. The display which is where the current which is measured, that displayed on a display meter. The next is what is a voltmeter. Firstly we see ammeter, now we see a voltmeter. It is the most common instrument used to measure a voltage. It measures either AC or DC voltage. It is a measure of the voltage between 2 points of an electric current. Information. A voltmeter is a device for measuring potential difference, the voltage between two wires, usually across a circuit element or a group of elements. A voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the elements. Note, the current flowing through the voltmeter itself disturbs the circuit into which it is plugged in, and such a disturbance may change the very voltage the voltmeter is used to measure. To minimize the disturbance, the current through the voltmeter should be as small as possible, which requires that the electric resistance of the ammeter should be as large as possible. Figure shows the ammeter and digital multimeter, where the ammeter used for measuring a current and DMM digital multimeter is used for measuring a voltage and current. Types of voltmeter instrument. Analog, the readings are shown on a scale. Digital, the readings are displayed on a LCD or LED display panel. Work on the principle of Ohm's law. Potential difference is equal to current into resistance. Potential difference is denoted by V. Current into resistance is equal to ampere into ohm. The voltmeter is as shown in figure. In digital multimeter, where the red wire is connected to the black wire is connected to the common. These are the test probes. After that, analog multimeter having a black wire is connected to the black probe, red wire is connected to the red probe. Measuring the volts of the motor, the voltmeter indicates polarity by direction by needle movement with an analog instrument. For a digital instrument, polarity is indicated by the sign of the numerical value When measuring a voltage difference, there are always two leads coming from the instrument that will have to be connected to the 2 points in your circuit across which the voltage appears. Voltage might be any of the following: across an element embedded in a circuit, the output of a transducer measuring some physical variable like temperature, pH, etc. Digital voltmeter is an instrument which used to measure the voltage and display the measured voltage using LCD or LED to display the result in a floating point format. They are an instrument of choice for voltage measurement in all kinds of situations. Digital voltmeter usually have scales that are 0 to 0.3 volt, 0 to 3 volt, 0 to 30 volt, 0 to 300 volt. Working integrator. The integrator stabilizes the voltage as a first step in measuring it. It takes a brief time sample, integrates it, and output a proportional voltage. Integrating a time sample makes the voltmeter more immune to noise in the signal. Analog/digital converter. The analog digital converter or ADC is the heart of the voltmeter. It is a clock circuit that takes an input voltage sample and outputs a number representing a voltage value. Since it's clock, you get a steady stream of numbers that change when the input voltage changes. Zeroing and sampling. A digital voltmeter needs to know where a zero is in order to have a true reading. This is done with a precision zero reference voltage provided either internal to the ADC chip or externally. For a general purpose voltmeter, scaling is important. Scale can be switched automatically by detecting overflow in the display. Usually 4 or more digits of accuracy, a minus sign and a floating decimal point are provided. Other indicators for battery status and ranges may also be included. A well-designed integrator and ADC will keep the display from between values, otherwise usability suffers. The digital display needs driver circuitry to handle the driver current. The same ADC chip frequently also has the same display driver also. Connecting the chip directly to the display simplifies the design and adds reliability. The block diagram of digital voltmeter is as shown in figure. This is the digital voltmeter V, which voltage which is displayed on a LCD display. In this video lecture, we see the digital ammeter, digital voltmeter. In digital ammeter, by using we measure a current. The unit is ampere. Digital voltmeter, we use a voltage. We measuring a voltage denoted by V. Thank you.